I think that a lot of the time when we think about food justice, we don't actually think about the people who gather that food for us. And I think we just need to recognize that. I think one of my favorite moments throughout this program was getting to meet all the educators and hearing what they have to say about food justice and food sovereignty and what that means to them.
So I feel like food justice is taking better care of food and knowing the things that we put into our bodies, which is going to take better care of us. So taking care of food and preserving foods for more generations to come. As a memorable moment, but I just feel happy being with people that want to take better care of the environment and just being surrounded with people who care about the same things that I do.
It means letting BIPOC folks speak for BIPOC folks. Means representation in the food conversation and the food system. It means we care for the well-being for the land, the people, and the people who are working, and the animals that we use or eat in our food system. And so that's what food justice means. It's giving us more ability and resources to grow our own food, produce it, and distribute it.
I think as Black, Indigenous, and people of color, we have been separated from our intimacy with the land, and so I think food justice is about restoring that connection and thus healing ourselves and healing the land and healing one another. The most memorable part of Bloom 2020 was meeting other youth like me who are dedicated to building community around this idea of food justice, around loving each other and loving our food and loving the land. And I think these are the kinds of connections that I want to keep with me as I move forward in building a world that I want to see.